Today, I have a very useful video. I'm going to show you how to make furniture oil that can be used as a cleaning agent on sealed wooden furniture or as a mild sealer for chalk paint. You probably already have the main and only ingredient in your cupboard, which is coconut oil. You will also need a microwavable cup and a spoon, but we will not be putting the spoon in the microwave. Place about a tablespoon in a microwavable container. Cook it on high for about 30 seconds. Coconut oil melts at 78 degrees, so when we take it out, what was once solid will now be liquid. Next, find a rag that will be thrown away or washed separately because of the oil. You don't want it to stain anything. Dip the rag into the melted coconut oil. Use the edges of your container to wipe or squeeze out any oil that may be dripping. Then, rub your rag with the oil all over the area you wish to cover. The final step is to wipe the area again with a clean, dry rag to get as much off as possible. Buff in a circular motion until the surface does not feel oily. I wanted to thank you for watching, and if you got value out of this video, let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. My name's Angela, and I create weekly videos on creative living. In the month of December, I will be posting daily. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss an upload. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.